Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about WordPress. I am Jayaprakash, lecturer in Information Technology from Karaikal Polytechnic College. WordPress is an open source content management system which allows the user to build dynamic websites and blogs. WordPress is the most popular blogging system on the web and allow updating, customizing and managing the websites from its backend, CMS and its component. WordPress was initially released on 27th May 2003 by Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little. It was announced as open source in October 2009. Some of the benefits are this software is free, easy to use, and its control is in your hand. It has a very large community support. This WordPress is highly customizable. With this simple introduction, we are going to discuss about how to create a simple web page using WordPress. To create a simple web page, you can download your WordPress or else go through online. For that, type www.wordpress.com. Select Get Starter if you are new. Then answer the below set questions. Else, if you are having an account, then select Login. Give the username and password. I have already created a web page. This is my web page. The left hand side is a control panel or dashboard. There are a number of options available in the left hand side of control panel, such as site pages, blog post, media, comments and testimonials. There is an important option called themes. You can customize your themes by selecting any theme as you wish. There are a number of themes available through online. It may be available free or you can pay. Select any one theme. I have already selected this theme. Then click Customize to customize your web page. There are a number of options available in the left hand side. The first one is site identity. You can give the site title, you can and taglines. My site title is Karaikal Polytechnic College and my tagline is Department of Information Technology. You can change the login you can change your logo also. This is my logo. There is another option, colors and backgrounds. You can change the background colors by picking up the colors from the color palette. This is the palette. You can select any one of this palette. The next one is font. By default I am selecting this font. You can change any fonts available in the drag down menu. There is a number of fonts available. Then the next option is header image. There you can add your image for header, that is at the top of the page. For every changes you have to click the button publish to make the changes. The next important feature in WordPress is menus. This is a menu. In this, click the primary menu. I had already created a set of menu such as about me, about the course journal, learning resources, NPTEL, PPT, about our institution, contacts and blogs that will be displayed. If you want to add a new menu, click add item, then type the menu name, that is a new menu, then click add. The new menu is created here. You can reorder this menu by clicking the arrows up and down. This is an important option in WordPress. Then one of the next important option is widgets. Widgets is a small application which can be placed anywhere in the page. Click widget. You can add widgets in the sidebar, or else footer 1, footer 2 and footer 3. I will show you the widgets. This is the widgets. I had already added some of the widgets like calendar, contact information and Google Map. This sidebar. If you want to add a new widget, click add a widget. There are list of widgets available. Select any one, then click publish. This is a widget just now I added. Many more options in this WordPress. You have to explore each and every option to know more about it. Now let's see how to create a page using WordPress. Click the site page, click add button. There is a page displayed. Type the title IT, information technology or IT. If you want to add a media, just click add. You can add media from Google or from the photo library. There is a list of images that was already loaded. Select any images and click insert. You can add images, documents, videos or audios as you wish. Click insert. The image is displayed on your page. Then if you want to add a video, go to YouTube, select a video you want to load, right click on the video, copy embed code. Then
so you will learn about those networks and how those
then right click on your page and paste, and your URL will be loaded. Just click preview button to see your changes. Your video is displayed. For every changes, you have to click the publish button to publish. You can see the video. To add a blog post, click add. Type the title. Type the title as my full course journal. Add the content you want to add. I want to add my course journal in the blog from my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive. I want to add my PDF, my course journal. Right click the course journal and click get shareable links. Copy the link and paste on the blog. This is the link, and paste it on the blog. You can add any number of blogs. Click preview. This is my blog, my full course journal. This is my drive. If I click this link, it will be directly linked with my Google Drive, and my PDF opens. This is my course journal. If you want to edit the blog, click edit. And make your changes. This is my blog. I had already created several blogs. This is another blog. There are several options and features available to make your page more attractive. If you have creative ideas, you can create your pages more attractive. This opportunity to thank IIT X Bombay for giving me this opportunity. My in-depth thanks to the principal of Women's Polytechnic College and the coordinator Gandhi Mohan sir. Thank you, one and all.